Today I am going to teach you decimal. How to solve word problem of decimals. Children, you have to do I do, we do, and you do. So there are some questions of word problem of decimals. Out of these questions, one question is Karan paid rupees 2000 for 7 pizzas. He received rupees 246.50 in change. When he paid 2000 rupees note, shopkeeper returned back 246.50 in change. Find the cost of each pizza. So first of all, you have to think about pizza. How many pizza? 7 pizza. And what is cost of 7 pizza? If you know cost of 7 pizza, then you can find the cost of 1 pizza. So first of all, think about the question, understanding 246 rupees 246.50 shopkeeper returned back means in change. So Karan paid rupees 2000 rupees note and taken 7 pizza from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper returned back. That's why Karan received rupees 246.50 in change. Find the cost of each pizza. So first of all, what to do, how we have to solve this question. So first start solution. Now first step, you have to subtract this amount from 2000. So rupees 2000 minus rupees 246.50 in rough column, rupees 2000 and in the addition and subtraction of decimal, be careful, your point, your decimal should be clear, should be visible. If not visible, then there will be confusion. So I have told you, as earlier I have told you, if not visible, put your decimal just right side of the number and make like this. Now write in column, decimal column, first of all decimal column. Now 246.50, 0, 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 9, 9 minus 6, 3, decimal will be here, again 9, 9 minus 4, 5, again 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 1, 1. So rupees 1753 This is the cost of 7 pizza. So you can write here the cost of 7 pizza is rupees 1753.50. Now see children, 7 pizza and you have to divide into this amount, you have to divide into 7 parts. So you can show this by bar model. Make 7 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Now you have to show like this, rupees 1753. And what is your question? What is the cost of each pizza? So just behind one pizza, give the question mark. Now you know cost of 7 pizza. You have to find cost of 1 pizza. So for this you have to divide. All of you know, to get less answer you have to divide. So rupees 1753.50 divided by 7. Now in rough column, 53.50 divided by 7. Now 7 to the 14, 3. Now this 5 will come here. 7 5 the 35. Now this 3 will come here. Now this 3 is not divisible by 7, so you want one more digit. So before taking one more digit, you have to give 0. And after that decimal, so give decimal and take this 5. 7 5 ja 35. Now this 0 will come here. 0. Rupees 250.50. The cost of one pizza is rupees 250.50. That's all children. Like this you have to solve. Thank you.